Pattaya, just outside Bangkok. Day 2 of the Young Lotus competition. The students are anticipating the topic that's going to dominate the next 24 hours. Here, the Young Lotuses are signing up to receive their topic. All the work from their preparation, regional competition, and mentorship have built up to this moment. This year's topic isn't an easy one, as Chairman Rob Sherlock describes.
So based on the you are what you consume, the basic direction is give kids a better life and end child obesity. The client is the World Health Organization. The budget is open from $0 to $1 billion, and the region is everywhere, universal.
The direction they're given is to be creative, but solve the problem. This can be a daunting challenge, as we see the Young Lotuses contemplating. The end result should amount to a 10-minute presentation, but they have 1 day to decide how to fill those minutes. It's not an easy task, but no one said it should be.